If you want X, formerly Twitter, to send you suggestions based on your recent follows, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to turn that setting on. This is a simple way to make your notifications more useful, especially if you want X to recommend accounts that match the people you already follow. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get right into it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. At the bottom, click More. This opens up the full menu with extra account and app settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of your account controls, privacy options, and notification preferences. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click Notifications. This section controls what kind of alerts and email updates you receive from X. Next, click Preferences. Inside this area, you'll find different notification settings that help personalize your experience on the platform. Now click Email Notifications. This opens the email-related notification options, where you can manage what X sends to your inbox. Look for the option called Suggestions, based on your recent follows. This setting allows X to send you follow suggestions based on the accounts you've recently chosen to follow. To turn it on, simply toggle it on. Once it's enabled, X can start giving you more tailored recommendations through email based on your recent activity. And that's all there is to it. You've now turned on suggestions based on your recent follows in X.com or Twitter. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one.